Hi everyone, my name is Echo and it's another video for Echo's tutorial. For today's topic, it is about ratio, rate, and speed. Sa video na ito, malalaman nyo yung basic concept about these three and also nag-prepare ako ng mga sample problems na kung saan makikita nyo yung step-by-step process kung paano nga ba nangyayari yung ganitong mga mathematical problems involving ratio, rate, and speed. And also, in the last part of our presentation, nag-prepare din ako ng 3-item question regarding this topic na kung saan maaari nyong i-test yung sarili nyo at ma-evaluate kung may natutunan ba kayo sa video na ito. So, without further ado, let's move to our presentation. First, let's talk about ratio. The comparison of similar quantities. It is the ratio of two or more numbers. Comparison by division, in which one number is divided by the other. For the formula, it is A colon B is equal to A all over B, where B is not equal to 0. A and B are called terms of the ratio. It can be written with separated colon like this, or using the word 2 like this, or as a fraction like this. So let's take a look with this picture. As you can see, we have here apples and lemons. So we're going to take the ratio here. For the first question, what is the ratio of apples to lemons? So first, let's count the apple. We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 apples. To lemons. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 lemons. So dito naman, what is the ratio of lemons to apples? So lemon muna. So we have 4 lemons to 3 apples. So what is the ratio of apples to the total fruit? Ito naman, bilangin natin kung ilang fruit meron tayo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have a total 7 fruits here. So, apple muna. Apple, which is 3 to 7 as our total fruit. So, what is the ratio of lemons to the total fruit? So, we have 4 lemons here. So, 4 to 7. So, dito, sinasabi lang na yung ratio is nagko-compare tayo ng similar quantities. For example, eto nga, dito, dinidescribe natin yung ratio ng bilang ng mga prutas na meron tayo. So, ano pa ba yung merong similar quantities? We have distance, like yung kilometers, yung meters, miles, like that. Also, sa bigat naman, or sa mass, we have the kilogram, grams, as long as we're talking about comparing similar quantities. It is a ratio. Na kung saan daw, ito yung formula niya. A colon B is equal to A all over B. Similar lang din sila. I-write lang sila into different form. Na kung saan daw yung B is not equal to 0. Kasi pag 0 yung B natin, it is undefined. So let's take a look with this example. A basket full of oranges and apples is placed on the table. There are 10 oranges and 24 mangoes. Find the ratio of the following in simplest form. Ratio of oranges to mangoes. So here we have 10 oranges all over 24 mangoes. They are divisible by 2. So if we simplify this or we divide, we have 5 all over 12 or 5 colon 12 or 5 to 12. That is the ratio of oranges to mangoes. What about ratio of mangoes to oranges? We just get the reciprocal of this one because it is oranges to mangoes. So we need to do is to find the ratio of mangoes to oranges. So just the reciprocal or kabaliktaran lang nito. Third is the ratio of mangoes to total fruits. So all in all, we have 10 plus 24, we have 34 mango fruits here. So, 24 all over 34 dahil mangoes all over ng total fruits which is 34 divided by 2 on both numbers. So, it is equal to 12 all over 17 or 12 colon 17 or 12 to 17. What about the ratio of oranges to total fruits? So here we have 10 oranges all over. Total fruit natin is 34 divided by 2 is equal to 5 all over 17 or 5 colon 17 or 5 to 17. Let's have another example. The English class has 48 students, of which 34 are girls. What is the ratio of boys to girls? So dito, sinasabi na yung English class, meron daw siyang 48 na students. Na kung saan yung 34 ay girls. So pinapahanap yung ratio ng boys to girls. Dahil dito, hindi define yung number ng boys, we need to find the number ng boys. So for us to do that, the solution, so total number of student minus number of girls is the number of boys. So we have 48 minus 34 is equal to 14. So yung 14, ito yung number ng boys na kung saan gagamitin natin para makuha natin yung ratio ng boys to girls. So for the ratio of boys to girls, we have 14 divided by all over 34. So it is divisible by 2. So we have 7 over 17 or 7 colon 17 or 7 to 17. Ito, ngayon yung ating sagot. Dumako naman tayo sa rate. Ano nga ba yung rate? It is a ratio of two measurements having different units of measurement. When rate is to be simplified, it has a denominator of 1. This simplified rate is called the unit rate. So for example, if we say that the car travels at a speed of 100 miles per hour, it means an hour, the covered distance traveled is 100 miles. Here, miles and hour are two different units that is expressed in single ratio. So, yun nga. Yung example natin, 100 miles per hour. Na kung saan daw, in an hour, nagtitake tayo or kumukuha tayo or nakakakuha tayo ng distance traveled na 100 miles. And this kind of example is tatawagin natin siyang unit rate. Kasi nga, yung denominator natin is equal siya sa 1. So, pag rate ang pag-uusapan, it is a ratio of two measurements having different units. So, dito, yung units dito sa 100 miles is a distance. So, distance per hour. Hour is time. So, ito yung formula. Rate is equal to quantity 1 all over quantity 2. Wherein yung quantity 1, yung unit niya is different sa quantity 2. So, ito pa yung example. Yung rate, ito siya. 60 miles all over 3 hours. While yung unit rate, 20 miles all over 1 hour. So, 1 na yung denominator dapat para masabi natin siyang isang unit rate. Ito, isa pang example. The better deal using unit rates. Unit rate is equal sa price all over ng cupcakes. So, ayan, sa bakery, we have $10 all over 12. To divide, ito yung, yung cost all over yung isang cupcake. While sa supermarket naman daw, ito 7 all over 10 cupcakes, divide. So, $0.70 yung isang cupcake. So, yung unit rate, ay yung rate dito, yung mga example niya, yung time rate, katulad dito, and yung sa costing, like this one. And meron pang iba. Dumako naman tayo sa pinagkaiba ng rate sa ratio. Ang sabi dito, that the rate is different units taken into comparison. While yung ratio, same units are taken into comparison. So, lagi natin tatandaan na pag rate, magkaiba yung units na meron tayo. while yung sa ratio, magkaparehas na units. Rate of two quantities are expressed using the word per or the symbol slash, while yung ratio of two numbers are expressed using the word to or the symbol colon, tsaka yung sa fraction. So, example nga dito, yung 100 miles per hour or 100 miles slash hour. Dito naman, example, sa ratio, we have 3 apples to 2 cups of milk. This can be expressed as 3:2, which is the number of apples to the measure of milk. Dumako naman tayo sa speed. Yung speed is a good example siya ng rate. It is the rate of change of distance traveled. So, yung speed is equal siya sa distance traveled all over time taken. So, mapapansin nyo sa kanyang formula na yung speed daw is equal siya sa distance. So, distance yung unit na nandito, tsaka yung time taken. So, uniform speed or constant speed is the term called when speed is unchanged over a period of time. Hence, constant speed is unrealistic and difficult to maintain. Thus, average speed is equal sa total distance covered all over total distance taken. So, dito, pag yung ating speed daw is unchanged over a period of time, tinatawag daw siyang uniform speed or constant speed. Pero, hindi daw siya nangyayari siya in reality, but it is difficult to maintain. Kung kaya meron lang tayong average speed. So here is a sample problem for speed. A man walks 20 km in hours. Find his speed. So, ang given natin, we have a distance na 20 km and the time na 4 hours. So, for the formula, speed is equals to distance all over time. So, plug it in lang natin yung values. We have 20 kilometers all over 4 hours. So, 20 all over 4. So, ano yung pwede nating i-divide sa kanila? Dahil divisible sila sa 4. So, divide natin silang parehas sa 4. And we'll have 5 km per hour as the speed of the man. Test yourself. Dito nag-iwan ako ng 3 items question na kung saan maaari nyong i-apply yung natutunan nyo sa aking video. So, good luck! Thank you for watching! Bye-bye!